expect the market behavior to reverse or to go in the other direction as we all intend to have. But in this video, I'm going to be analyzing how gold would be at the forecast of gold for the upcoming weeks. Before this, we can see a higher high and higher low. And in this video, normally what we expect in this video, we can have some we can be having this, since we already have a trend like this is a higher high and higher low, and this is form of triangle or a triangular form of trading. Normally from this 4-hour time frame that we just have here, normally the aspect that we have higher high, lower low. So generally gold here, what we expect gold to the direction of gold from this minimum time frame, first of all, gold is going to experience another higher high. So gold is going to experience a higher high. Remember, the trend is a bullish trend. It's still an uptrend. I hope you understand. That is an uptrend direction. So in this, for this particular time frame, we expect gold to have to experience another higher high before the time can be bearish. But if that is not the case, we are going to have gold in this direction. Gold can come down. We can expect that for come down here. But remember not to forget the demand zone. There is a demand zone around this area. So at this demand zone there's a demand zone here, and at this demand zone, if gold hits this demand zone, you should be looking for a bullish opportunity. So when gold hits this demand zone, if the prices if the price will reverse in a bullish trend or continue in a bullish trend, we expect to have this thing from this particular point. So that's the direction for gold for this hour time frame. And also there is another time frame at this particular point, a demand zone at this particular zone that you must take it you must take note. This another demand zone, and this demand zone, either the price goes down or we are going to experience another a retracement. We can experience a retracement up, and also as we can see another strong demand zone here. We have another strong demand zone at this around this area. If the price hit around this price, we should also be experiencing another. We are going to be experiencing another trend reversal. That is what we have. So those are the points that we have to be looking for buying for a buying opportunity. But let me use a line chart so we can analyze the gold better. So if I use line chart here, so generally this is a line chart that I'm going to be using on gold. If I use a line chart here, and let me picture my analysis here let me picture my analysis on a daily time frame. Let me use a daily time frame so we can analyze the market on a daily time frame. So generally that's what you can see. But for to make the video so good, let me delete all what we have just inserted. Let me delete everything we just inserted so that I will take another details so you can understand the concept. You understand everything in this concept. So this is a line chart on a daily time frame. So on a daily time frame, what I'm seeing here on a daily time frame, generally there's a strong demand. There's a strong resistance. There's a strong resistance that is buying liquid. There's a strong resistance level up there. Yeah, that is sell liquidity. Sell liquidity, and we can call it as a strong resistance. That strong resistance, and what I'm talking of, what I mean is at this particular point. So at this particular point, there is a strong resistance here. Oh, it's not showing, but I'm going to change it so I put this way. So at that particular point, there is a strong resistance at this particular point. I hope you understand. There's a strong resistance point here. This strong resistance point is a very good significant of a trend reversal. So, and also beside that we have this. Beside that, the price has been in an uptrend. from that the price has been in an uptrend. So since the price has been in an uptrend, generally at this particular level, what we expect what we expect the market to be at this particular point from that strong resistance is this. Since we are on a daily time frame, we are going to have something like this. So the price is going this should be the direction of the price. So the price of direction should be like would be in this nature. But if the price but remember the demand zone that we see around here, there is a very strong demand zone around this area. So if the price hit on this market zone, this is what we should be expecting. Like if the price hit around this particular point, we should have we should be expecting a direct a blue direction. We should be experiencing another higher high. Yeah, so there will be another high that will be formed. If the market comes and hits a particular point, we're going to be experiencing higher high. But if you have a breakout, a bearish breakout from the down direction, the market will continue to go down up to this particular point that we see here. So at this particular point, we have a demand zone. At this particular zone, what we analyze the market from this line chart is that we should be expecting something from when the price hits that particular point. We are going to have another it's the beginning of a demand zone. The market is going to be bullish. But if that's the case, if those points are being hit, the market may tend to go down and continue to go down. So this is what we have. So for the analysis of gold so far, temporarily, we're going to have a bit of bullish. The market is going to be a bit bullish. The market is going to be a bit bullish. After then is going to be the overall trend generally is bearish, but the temporal trend is bullish. So if you want to understand that, let's see our market under the 1 hour time frame. Or let's take let's take our market direction in the 4 hour time frame. We were with the daily time frame. This is what the daily time frame gives us, right? I hope you can understand that. So let me take the market on the 15-hour time frame. On the 15-hour time frame, we have something of this nature. So on the 15-minute time frames, if you take a 1 hour chart, let me let me just erase all these other charts so you understand what I'm saying here better. So you understand all these things that I'm saying here better. So on a daily time frame, we are going to have this. So you see a temporal sell on a daily time frame. So we are going to experience this, and we are going to be experiencing another very important since we already have another higher high, and we have another lower low here. We have we have our lower low. So basically what we have higher high and higher low. So since is on a temporal bullish trend, we should be expecting another higher high that should be formed. We're going to be having another higher high. I cannot zoom more than that, but let me see if I can zoom in more than that. Yeah, normally we should be having another higher high. That's a simple strategy. We should be having another simple higher high before the market would reverse generally, because as you can see, the market hit 2046. Perhaps we're going to experience another higher high, and a higher high can be around 2080, 2070. Amazing. Yeah, the higher high. Well, let me take it in a 1 hour time frame if you can appreciate better on a 30-minute time frame. On a 30-minute time frame, let me use the 5-minute time frame and see. All right, this is a 5-minute time frame. So we're going to see a temporal. So we're going to be experiencing a temporal bullish trend. Another temporal bullish trend. Perhaps the market may hit another higher high. Coming far from a day time frame, the market here was a higher high was from, let me see, if I use a trend at this particular point, this is what you are going to observe. If you have this, so we have this about 2024, and the market, the initial higher high was at 2046, and the previous the previous higher high was about the previous higher high was about at this particular point here, yeah, 1997. So from 1997 to the next higher high to 2023, about 24 or 25 pips addition. And if you use that same criteria, about 25 p addition, if you use that same criteria here, the next higher high to this other higher high, it's about 241. So adding additions of about 30 pips or 40 pips, we should be experiencing our next higher high in this temporal time frame of 2070, 2080. So when the price of gold will hit 2080, what you should be doing here and what you should be expecting here at 2080 or as from 2017 is a reversal trend. So at that particular point, we look for now, since the market is on a temporal bullish trend, we should be looking for uptrend opportunities. Yeah, it's a temporal trend, so we look for uptrend opportunities. And when the price hit 2080 or as from 2070, we should be looking on how to short. We can take a long time short and we can make much money out of it. So that is the goal analysis for now. Make sure if you like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can get so you will be getting most important aspects of this nature at any time, at any particular time. So that is it with what was for today. You can understand, yeah, this is it. So subscribe, share, do like, and leave a comment section. Write to me in the comment section the type of videos you want me to upload them, and I will upload them out. All right, see you. Check out. Peace out.